friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Sharkoon RGB Wave case. So friend, Sharkoon is expanding its range of cases with the launch of the RGB Wave, and this midi-ATX case gives current hardware components a framework that is both efficient and extraordinary thanks to 4 pre-installed fan and air-permeable front panel with a 3D wave design. And friend, this has a series of undulating wave-like strips in front of an air-permeable mass and sat within a carbon fiber texture frame, and it is complemented by a side panel made of tempered glass through which the built-in hardware can be admired. And friend, to visually round things off, 3 120 mm fans with addressable RGB illumination are installed behind the front panel to accurate the wave design and the installed hardware with up to 16.3 million colors. And friend, for the top ports near the front of the case, Sharkoon provides two standard USB 3.0 ports as well as the usual audio connection. In addition, the RGB Wave has a Type-C port with the USB 3.2 Gen 2 specification, allowing the connection of modern mobile device for fast and varied data transfer. And friend, it is priced at 74.90 euros. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.